everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Google Maps GPS signal lost problem on Android. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your Android phone. Then scroll down and tap on Location. Make sure that location is turned on. This is important because Google Maps needs your location to provide accurate GPS directions. Now go back and open Battery. Make sure Battery Saver isn't on because it's restricting your phone's location services. After turn off. Next, go back again and open System Management. Now tap on Date and Time and make sure your date and time are set on Auto. Turn on the Automatic Date and Time option if it's currently disabled. Now find Google Maps on your phone and press and hold the app icon. From the menu that appears, tap App Info. Next, tap Permissions, and then select Location. Here, make sure Google Maps has permission to access your location. If your phone provides the option, select Allow All the Time. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you fix the GPS signal lost problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Android tutorials.